For better access, first remove the 4 screws on the top of the bumper. The headlight is attached with 4 screws. The top 2 screws are located under the round plastic covers and are completely unscrewed. The covers can simply be levered out/pulled off. The other 2 screws are on the side of the headlight. One on the left and one on the right. You just have to loosen these 2 screws. The headlight is inserted here. To disconnect the headlight, press both locks of the headlight at the rear. This will release the lock on the front of the plug. This can be a bit stuck due to dirt and weather. Which is why you may have to release the locks on the front directly with a screwdriver. The second plug is levered down at the back. Here, too, you free the lock on the front of the plug. Remember to have the headlight adjusted by a workshop after reinstallation or to carry out a visual inspection of the wall. Links in the description.
Before replacing the bulbs, turn off the headlights and the ignition. If possible, do not touch the bulbs with your bare hands on the glass body. Although negligible, this can lead to a shorter lifespan for the bulbs.
Low beam.
A D2S xenon lamp is installed as a low beam. To access the xenon lamp, first unscrew the cover at the back and pull it up out of the guides. This is usually enough and you have good access to the low beam and high beam. Optionally, or when replacing the headlight, you can/must also remove the control unit on the back or mount it on the new headlight. Remove all screws and then unplug the control unit from the inside of the cover. Press the small lock here and then pull out the plug. Back to the low beam, remove the plug from the lamp by turning it. If the headlight is installed, be sure to turn off the lights and ignition. Also loosen the mounting ring by turning it and then take out the xenon lamp. Do not touch the glass body of the new lamp with your bare fingers. When reinserting, pay attention to the correct position. The small recesses have to go back into the elevations. Also pay attention to the correct position of the mounting ring. Top is logically top side.
High beam.
An H7 lamp is installed as a high beam. The high beam is located right next to the low beam. Unplug the plug at the back, it has no special lock. Then press the metal clasp and push it upwards to release the lamp from the reflector. When reinserting, pay attention to the correct position of the nose. Do not touch the glass body of the new lamp with your fingers.
Indicator light.
A 12V21W yellow is installed as a flashing light. Remove the indicator socket from the headlight by turning it. Loosen the bulb itself by gently pressing it and turning it at the same time. Do not touch the glass body of the new lamp with your bare fingers.
Parking light.
A 12V5W glass socket is installed as a parking light. Also remove the parking light socket from the headlight by turning it. The lamp itself is only plugged in and can be pulled out. All installed lamps and required tools are linked in the description. Good luck doing it yourself.